researchers from bars and bartending.com. Today we're going to do a little cocktail. This one's called Holy Water, right? So this is a porn star shot with Sprite added in. So a porn star you just make with red sours, Raspberry Sourz, and Blue Curacao. And for the Holy Water we add Sprite. Okay, so it's just going to be a half ounce of each. And I'm making 2 for the crew here. Spilling all over the place. It's a home bar, doesn't matter. Don't do that at work. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ain't she pretty? Hey, look at that. Alright, and there you have it. A couple of straws. If I had a couple straws. The straws around here. Straws. Ta-da! Straws! There you go! There you go, a couple of holy waters! Cheers!